Excuses don't build dreams, they destroy them. Every time you say, "I can't," you are building a wall between yourself and your future. Every excuse you make becomes a thief. It robs you of progress, of momentum, of destiny. Dreams are not built with excuses, they are built with effort. They are built with action. They are built when you choose responsibility over reasons, commitment over comfort. Excuses are easy. Dreams are hard. Excuses sound good in the moment, but they leave you empty in the end. Dreams require sweat, sacrifice, and discipline. The world doesn't remember excuses. The world remembers results. Nobody celebrates excuses, but everybody celebrates effort. Excuses fade, but legacy lives. You said you didn't have the time, but you had time to scroll, to gossip, to wait. You said you didn't have the money, but you spent it on things that never mattered. You said you didn't have the talent, but you never practiced enough to see what was possible. Your excuses are not the truth. They are the limits you choose to believe. Every time you trade excuses for effort, you step closer to your vision. Every time you kill an excuse, you give birth to a new possibility. You cannot hold on to excuses and expect to hold your dream. One must die so the other can live. So today, kill the excuses. Kill the "I can't." Kill the "one day." Kill the "maybe later." Replace them with "I must." "I can." "I do." Replace them with action. Replace them with progress. Replace them with faith and discipline. Your dream deserves more than your excuses. Your family deserves more than your excuses. Your future deserves more than your excuses. So stop giving energy to the things that keep you stuck. Start giving energy to the work that takes you forward. Excuses don't build dreams. Action does. Consistency does. Today is the day you stop talking and start building. Today is the day you silence excuses and speak with your results. Dreams are waiting, but excuses are in the way. Move them. Break them. Bury them. And when the doubt creeps in, when the voice whispers, "Not today," answer back with action. Answer back with discipline. Answer back with your grind. Excuses don't build dreams. Now prove it. This is Eva Motivation. Subscribe for more and build the dream, not the excuse.